Hey kiddos, today we are going to talk about springtime, and in the springtime there are a lot of babies being born. There's bunnies and different types of animal babies being born all the time. We're going to focus on bunnies. We're going to make a bunny ears craft today. If you need to print this paper, look in the description box and click the link and you should be able to print it right from there. So first, you need some materials. You need tape or glue, scissors, print this paper, and markers, crayons, or colored pencils, whichever you'd like to use. First thing we're going to do is take our scissors and we're going to cut all the way around on the black lines. I'm going to start by cutting the ears first. So I'm going to cut carefully down the black lines. Watch out, kiddo. Now this part gets tricky towards the bottom here, so if you need older brother or sister or an adult to help you, you can just ask. You'll notice I'm also using adult scissors, but I'm sure you have safer kiddo scissors at home. Make sure you use the safe kiddo scissors. This is Jax, by the way, this orange kitty that you see. He's very interested when we do things. And this part gets tricky down here too. So again, if you want to ask an adult or an older brother or sister to help, that's a good idea. Alright, so here are the bunny ears finished. I'm going to leave those over here for a second. And now I'm going to cut the strips that we're going to use around your head. That will make the headband around our heads. There's one longer strip and one shorter strip to cut. Put the scraps off to the side. One more to go. Now, in the link below, you're going to have a link that gets you to the website to print this, the bunny ears and the headband. There's also a link to another YouTube video that you can learn all about bunnies and rabbits. When you're cutting and coloring, you should put that video on and you can learn some facts. Okay, now I'm going to throw all of my scraps away. I'm finished with the scissors, so I'm going to move those out of the way. I have one longer piece that I cut, one shorter piece that I cut, and the bunny ears that I cut. You can take your crayons, markers, colored pencils, and you can color this however you want. I'm going to color the inside of the bunny ears pink, this inside part here. I'm gonna color the longer strip purple. I think I'm gonna do purple stripes, so I'm gonna go across and do purple stripes on this part. I'm gonna do orange polka dots on the shorter one. In between that, I'm gonna put little green dots. And in between my stripes, I'm gonna put little yellow dots. Now you can leave it right here, but I'm gonna do an extra challenge if you're up for an extra challenge. Right here under our bunny ears, I'm gonna draw 2 circles for eyes. I'm using blue, but you can use whatever color you want. I'm gonna draw a triangle for the bunny's nose. I'm gonna draw 2 loops for his mouth, and a couple dots and lines for the bunny's whiskers. This part might be tricky, so you might need an older sibling or an adult to help you. I'm gonna take tape, or you can use glue. I'm gonna put the longer strip on one side and tape it. I'm gonna put the shorter strip on the other side. Take my piece of tape and tape that down. Then I need to flip it over. I'm going to take both ends, pull them together, and I need one more last piece of tape or more glue right there. Alright, let's take a look at the final. Here is a hat, bunny hat, that you get to wear. And don't forget to click the link below to print this and the other link to learn some bunny facts. Bye guys!